The honeybee, scientifically known as Apis mellifera, holds a special place in the hearts and minds of humans. Revered for its sweet produce, honeybees are not just sugar makers but crucial pollinators, playing a vital role in global ecosystems and agriculture. This comprehensive exploration of honeybees delves into their anatomy, behavior, life cycle, hive structure, role in pollination, production of honey, and the various challenges they face in a rapidly changing world. Honeybees, like other insects, have three main body parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. Their exoskeleton is covered in tiny hairs that aid in pollen collection and sensing the environment. The head features large compound eyes for excellent vision and antennae, which are crucial for detecting chemical signals, including pheromones. One of the distinctive features of honeybees is their mouthparts, adapted for sipping nectar from flowers. These mouthparts also play a crucial role in the production of beeswax, a substance used in constructing honeycombs. The wings of honeybees are a marvel of aerodynamics, allowing them to fly with exceptional agility and precision. The hind legs are equipped with specialized structures, such as pollen baskets, for collecting and transporting pollen back to the hive. Honeybees are social insects that live in colonies with a well-defined social structure. The colony consists of three main types of bees: the queen, workers, and drones. The queen is the reproductive female, responsible for laying eggs, while worker bees perform various tasks such as foraging, nursing, and hive maintenance. Drones are male bees whose sole purpose is mating with a queen from another colony. Communication within a honeybee colony is complex and intricate. Bees use a variety of signals to convey information, including pheromones, vibrations, and dances. The most famous of these dances is the waggle dance, performed by forager bees to communicate the location and quality of a food source. Through this dance, bees can convey precise information about the direction and distance of a foraging site. The life cycle of a honeybee is a fascinating journey marked by distinct stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The process begins when the queen lays fertilized or unfertilized eggs in the cells of the hive. Fertilized eggs develop into worker bees or future queens, while unfertilized eggs become drones. The eggs hatch into larvae, which are cared for by worker bees. Larvae are fed a mixture of royal jelly, pollen, and honey. After a period of growth, the larvae spin a cocoon and enter the pupal stage. During pupation, metamorphosis occurs, transforming the pupa into an adult bee. The newly emerged bee contributes to various tasks within the colony, depending on its role as a worker, drone, or queen. The hive is the heart of honeybee society, a meticulously organized structure that serves as the bee's home, storage facility, and workspace. The hive is typically constructed from beeswax, produced by worker bees. Honeybees are known for their hexagonal comb structure, which is not only aesthetically pleasing but also efficient in terms of space and resource utilization. The hive consists of two main types of comb: brood comb and honeycomb. The brood comb is where eggs, larvae, and pupae are housed, while the honeycomb is used for storing honey. Each cell within the comb is used for a specific purpose, and the entire hive is a testament to the collective efforts and engineering prowess of the colony. One of the most critical contributions of honeybees to ecosystems and agriculture is their role as pollinators. As they forage for nectar, bees inadvertently collect and transfer pollen between flowers, facilitating the fertilization of plants. This process is essential for the reproduction of many flowering plants, including numerous crops that humans rely on for food. The relationship between honeybees and flowering plants is mutualistic. Bees collect nectar as a food source, and in the process, they transfer pollen, enabling the plants to produce seeds and fruits. This intricate dance of nature ensures the continued existence and diversity of plant species, forming the foundation of terrestrial ecosystems. Honey production is a remarkable aspect of honeybee biology and behavior. The process begins with forager bees collecting nectar from flowers. Nectar is a sugary liquid produced by glands within the flowers. Upon returning to the hive, foragers regurgitate the collected nectar into the mouths of hive bees. Within the hive, hive bees add enzymes to the nectar and transfer it from bee to bee. This process breaks down the complex sugars in the nectar into simpler sugars, ultimately transforming it into honey. The honey is then stored in cells within the honeycomb, where it undergoes further dehydration, reducing its water content and preventing fermentation. The honeybee colony regulates the moisture content of the honey by fanning their wings and controlling the temperature within the hive. Once the honey reaches an appropriate consistency, the bees cap the cells with beeswax, sealing the honey for long-term storage. Beekeepers harvest honey by carefully removing the capped combs from the hive. Honeybees face numerous challenges in the contemporary world, posing threats to their populations and the ecosystems they support. One of the most pressing issues is habitat loss. Urbanization, agricultural expansion, and deforestation result in the destruction of natural habitats, depriving honeybees of foraging areas and suitable nesting sites. Pesticides, particularly neonicotinoids, have been linked to declines in honeybee populations. These chemicals, used in agriculture to protect crops from pests, can have detrimental effects on bee health. Exposure to pesticides can affect the foraging behavior, navigation, and reproductive capabilities of honeybees, contributing to a phenomenon known as colony collapse disorder, CCD. Climate change is another significant challenge for honeybees. Changes in temperature, precipitation patterns, and the timing of flowering events can disrupt the synchronization between bees and their food sources. Extreme weather events, such as droughts and floods, further exacerbate these challenges, impacting the availability of nectar and pollen. Diseases and parasites also pose threats to honeybee colonies. Varroa mites, in particular, are notorious for infesting honeybee hives, feeding on the bodily fluids of adult bees and developing larvae. These parasitic mites weaken the bees, transmit diseases, and contribute to colony declines. In conclusion, the honeybee, Apis mellifera, is a remarkable and intricate species with a profound impact on ecosystems, agriculture, and human life. From their complex social structure and communication methods to their vital role in pollination and honey production, honeybees are an essential thread in the fabric of life on Earth. As we navigate the challenges of the 21st century, it is imperative to recognize and address the threats facing honeybees. Conservation efforts, sustainable agricultural practices, and public awareness are crucial components of ensuring the well-being of honeybee populations. By safeguarding honeybees, we not only protect a species but also uphold the delicate balance of nature, upon which our food security and the health of the planet depend.